Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com, doing my Wednesday evening analysis for you all. This is the dollar index and this is the daily time frame. So we did have a day where price was trying to kind of bounce off these levels that I did for the past, I think, 3 weeks say that the dollar was going to fall to. Some of you didn't agree, but that's okay. We all have our opinions, and sometimes we're right and sometimes we're wrong. This time I just happened to be right. Um, but anyway, so price did in fact hit these lows that I was looking at down here, and I did say that price would test this 200, probably fail and test this level right here, which also did occur. And we did almost test this line down here, which again I was forecasting earlier in the week and also weeks prior. So go back, always please, I encourage all of you, go back through my video history of what my forecast has been and see if I was right, see if I was wrong, and go ahead and call me on it. I really don't care. I'd rather you do because then that means you're listening. So anyway, I don't know what's going to happen with the dollar as far as closing this gap. Looking at this 4-hour time frame, it looked like we were going to go ahead and break above. Price is still in this downtrend here on this 4-hour time frame. We did bounce down here off of this support line. I would say that I think the dollar should be able to push up higher. What is it going to take to get there? I have no idea. But on a daily time frame, let me just go back to there. And you can see that we are now kind of trading between the 200 and the 50 period simple moving average on the wider range. We have been bouncing between this channel. And so, logically you would think that we should be able to bounce up higher. So if you were doing a wave count, you would think that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would think that we might be able to climb up higher. And I do agree with you. However, the dollar has been weak. We did close below this 200 period simple moving average, not for the first time, second time, but now the third time. So 3 days in a row, we have now closed below this 200 period simple moving average. This all actually came about with the French elections, as you can recall in my Sunday edition of my videos. Anyway, I think that the dollar should be able to try to get some push to the upside, at least in the near term, to try to break out and hit around 99.50 or so. That's just what I would see into the end of the week. The trend has been lately that on Fridays, the dollar, when it should be falling, is actually seeing short covering. So be on alert for that heading into Friday. I do think that, again, we might see a little bit of push to the upside. However, I don't think that it's going to be anything sustainable in the long term. So my video analysis on Sunday, I'll be able to show you a little bit more clarity on what happened from today's video, and then I can give you a better idea of where we're heading. Otherwise, we may be heading sideways, but we'll take one step at a time, a few days at a time in my case. This is on Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. This has been an analysis of the US dollar. Thank you for watching.